This is my closet. I am so excited because today I have a Fashom unboxing. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so you get notified of my future videos, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, there are no words is how much I appreciate your loyalty to my channel. So Fashom is you kind of get it when you want it. It's $15 styling fee, and I will leave a link below because I think if you get your first box, they waive the styling fee and might give you some credit. And I think if you order and you get credit, I get credit. Not sure how that works. Sorry, trying to film without interruptions, even in the woods, is impossible. So you pick out, you send them an email letting them know you're ready to get styled. Then they put together, I want to say like 7 pieces that you can pick out what you want. If you don't like anything at all, you just email your stylist back and say, can you please start over? And I've done that once or twice. I think this is my 3rd box from them. So let's get into it. They put in the Hello Beautiful, and I think this is the nasty one that has the prices. But what's great about Fashom, if you buy 3 pieces, you save 25%. If you buy all 5, you save 30%. So last month, I think I kept 3. I had a credit. I spent like $30. So you can't beat that. So let's get into it. Oh, and of course, there's the return bag for anything that you don't like. And then there's the bundle. I don't know if you can see all the pretty colors over there. And I remembered what I ordered, and I'm just hoping that I don't have the fit issues that I always have. And the first thing I ordered is this beautiful magenta little cardigan. It does get cold here, and when we go out to dinner, we go to the casino, I need to get some. I need to have something, and this is just the perfect fabric to throw on. And I love the color so much. It'll probably go with a lot of clothes that I have. And I think did they put the prices on here? No. And the next thing is this cute little top. I don't know, I might be too old to wear something like this. It's got the little eyelets, but I'm not sure if I can get away with it. But I just love tops that I can throw on. Oh, excuse me. This is by Solutions. It's in a large. And this one is by Chris and Carol, and it's in a large. And then I picked up this one because it was such a pretty color. It's 22nd. It's in a size large. And it's just, again, a throw-on top, which I love. And it's got the knot at the bottom. Such pretty colors. And then I've seen this in like Mix and Match, and I've seen this in Stitch Fix. Might not be the same company, but this is by 22nd, and it's got the 2-toned. And I have a couple of these styles already, so I'm looking forward to trying that on. And for my 5th piece, let me put this away, is I got me some going to Chicago shorts. These are just black. They're size medium, so I don't know, but they're a little bit longer. Sometimes I wear the shorter shorts, but since I'm going to be by my kids and my friends, I thought I'd go for a little bit of a longer pair, but they are really comfortable. Again, I don't know what a medium equates to, but I'll definitely try these on. So I'm going to do the try on, sorry about that, and I will let you know how much everything is during the try on. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm filming outside, and of course it's a little windy, but I have more room to walk around. So I am wearing the 22nd sleeveless floral striped top in a size large for $38. It's got the two different patterns, and of course this is bra friendly, so I absolutely love it. I'll turn around. It's super comfortable, something you just throw on. It's a little cool out here in Washington, but I know it'll be perfect for back in Arizona. And I paired it with the Just Black frayed Bermuda with side slit, and they're $55, and they're a medium. Let's see if I could show you. There's the little slit. They fit really good. You know, I just hate spending $55 on a pair of shorts, but if I buy 3 items, I'll get 25% off. So let me know what you thought of this fun outdoorsy outfit, and I'll be right back with the next pieces. Sorry, you're tipping. All right, I am back with the next 2 pieces. I still have the shorts on, and I am wearing the Chris and Carol sweater open cardigan that's $35, and the 22nd Dolman style short sleeve top that's $39. So the prices are very affordable. I wouldn't wear these 2 pieces together, but I kind of like this cardigan. The length is perfect. Obviously it's not going to close, but as I said, just a perfect throw-on piece. I have one similar in black, and I wear that one all the time, so I thought I would just look for something with a little pop of color. And I will take it off, and wearing the split net top that was $39. I'm not crazy about this. The color's nice, but I don't like what it does in here. Because I am kind of chesty, it just kind of lays there. It's a good length. It looks good with shorts with casualness. But let me know what you think, if this would kind of bother you, because this definitely bothers me. But overall, I'm just loving this box. Great pieces, great prices. I'll be right back with the last top. Okay, I am back with the last top. And this is the Solution Lace Trim Stripe Print Top. It's $39. It's cute, but I don't know about this part. It just kind of, I don't know. I have a top very similar to this, so let me know what you think. It's very comfortable, easy to throw on, but something about this just isn't working for me. So I will be right back with the recap. Okay. I am back with the recap, so let's go over everything. I still have on the Solution Lace that was $39, the Just Black frayed Bermuda shorts that are super comfortable, and they're $55. I love that Chris and Carol sweater, and The 22nd sleeveless floral print top was also very comfortable. The only piece I really didn't care for was the blue. Hold on, I'm gonna go grab it. Okay, I am back with the recap. The shorts, I'm gonna wait and see how much the total is, but these were so comfortable and I absolutely love them, so I might have to spring a little bit more money and keep them. This is the Solution large. It was comfortable, but I don't love the sleeves. I don't love this little doily look here, and so if you don't love something, you don't keep it, especially for the price. I mean, it was in the 30s, but still, that's a lot to pay for something that I probably wouldn't reach for. This top was cute. I liked it. It's super, super soft. It is the 22nd. I like the pattern. I like the fact it was just a throw on, go outside kind of top. So this might be, if I keep 3, this would probably be the second piece that I kept. And then this beautiful magenta cardigan. It fit perfect. I love the color. It probably would go nice with this top, but just even a white t-shirt. I could probably wear it over my favorite designer shirts, which is Harley Davidson. So that could be the third keeper. This top, love the color. It is so freaking soft. It was by 22nd again, but I didn't like the way that sat. It would be picking at me like all day to make sure that it met. So this is probably not a keeper. So now the fun part. If I were to keep everything, it would be $206 for 5 pieces, which is a little pricey. If I kept all 5 and got the 30% discount, I could take $61.80 and it would bring them down to $144, which for 5 pieces and a pair of shorts is great. I probably will only keep 3, the cardigan and the shorts and that cute little striped top. And if I kept those, and I'm just guessing, it's $40, $95, it would be $125 without the discount. So if I took off roughly 25%, it would be $100 for those 3 pieces, including the shorts. So that's a little better. So let me know what you thought. Again, if you want to try Fashom, you can use my link below. You'll get $10 off of your first box. And I think I get $10. So it's kind of a win-win. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and you guys have a great day.